Okay, in this video we're going to do some basic setup. Now if we're to have a look at what we have right now, there it is. Now this doesn't look anything like what our final result needs to be, so we need to do a few things. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get a new theme, and the theme we're going to use is called Kubrick. So go over to where it says Appearance and Themes, and then we're going to do Install Themes. Okay, so here in under search, put in Kubrick and search. Okay, now Kubrick is the original default theme for WordPress. So we're going to install that. And then we're going to activate it. Okay, now when we go look at this, it's starting to look a little more like what a sales page looks like. A sales page usually has some background, has a header, and then it has a linear layout. Okay, so that's what our basis is going to be. We're going to base the whole thing on Kubrick. Okay, let's go now over to Widgets. And what we're going to do is we're going to take them all out. All you got to do is grab them and drag them over to the left. Okay, and then we can just drag one basic one over there, which is called a text, just so there's a placeholder there. Otherwise, it uses the default set of the sidebar. It uses whatever they put in for the sidebar. Okay, now if we go have a look. Okay, so now we're getting closer. We have a linear layout here. We don't have the sidebar in there, but you notice everything is lined up to the left, and we're going to fix that in a little while. Okay, so let's go back to dashboard. Okay, the next thing we're going to want to do is we want to get rid of all the junk that's in here. So if we go to all posts, we want to get rid of the Hello World post that it put in when we installed. Same with pages. We want to get rid of the sample page. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is go to plugins, and we want to go to add new. Okay, what we're looking for here is something called Headspace 2. So search for the plugin. Okay, and then we want to install and activate. Now Headspace 2 gives us some powerful things we can do with our posts. We can put in meta tags in there and so on using Headspace. Okay, now let's go over to settings. Now in here, this is where you could change your title to be what your sales page is about. So in our case, we want to have it secure your WordPress blog. Okay, so make this say the same thing here. Now we're actually not going to see this when on our final page, but it is still seen behind the scenes. Okay, and then our tagline, we can just take that out of there. Okay, now down here where it says anyone can register, you might want to make sure that that is unchecked. And then that's really all we need to do in this part. Okay, go to discussion, and then we want to uncheck allow link notifications, allow people to post comments. You want to uncheck that as well. Okay, so that turns off all the comments. Okay, in Permalinks, now normally you would want to set this to be the post name. So all you got to do is click there where it says post name and save changes. Okay, and that will create that for us. Now, the next thing we need to do is set up our page. So we're going to add a new page, and then This is going to be where we are going to actually do the entry of our sales page. So this is where the text entry goes in. So we need to give it a title here, and we can give it the same title that we had on our sales page. Okay, and our sales page title is actually Secure Your WordPress Blog Against Hackers. Okay, so we'll go here. Okay, now one thing, here's a little trick for you. To center this, we can put these tags in here. So center, like that, and then here we put /center in these tags. And what this will do is it'll get the title centered. You're going to see what I mean by that in a sec. Okay, so sales page. Okay, now remember what I said about headspace. We have our page title, and here we have our description. And then in here, under advanced, we have JavaScript and style sheets where we can change some more things. And there's some other things that we can do within headspace. Okay, so for now, we can just leave this as it is. Okay, now what we're going to do now is we're going to publish the page. I just put some holding text in here. So let's publish the page. Now we need to go back to settings and reading. And this is where we set our page as our home page. So we click a static page, and then we set this as our front page and save. Okay, at this point we have our basic setup done. So if we go here now and we go to visit site, you'll see that we have up here in the header, we have Secure Your WordPress Blog. Here we have Secure Your WordPress Blog Against Hackers, and it's centered. But as you see, it's centered in this area. We still have this sidebar over here. Okay, and these are some of the tweaks we're going to do. Okay, so that's the end of the basic WordPress setup. In the next video, we're going to start getting into some tweaks here that will get this looking more like a sales page.